So, been thinking for a long time about how to connect these sections of the back wall here, like the top and the bottom of the door. Been using clamps up to now. I want them to be removable, so I'm not going to attach them permanently. I found that there are little things like this, and basically they tell you to route a channel through here between the two pieces, and then you have this on top of this piece and the other one down below to where they're pretty snug. Then this little thing tightens it up. But I didn't want to put a channel through here that was at least halfway through, so that these things were clamping in the center of the boards. Didn't want them clamping on the edge here. I want them right in the middle, so the clamp is the best spot. And if I don't put a channel in there, I just realized I can drill a hole right up through here, all the way, as long as I can get this piece through and start tightening it up on top. That should work just fine. So I'm going to try this top section of the door here and see how well it works. Hopefully it's pretty snug. I might put 3 in there just to make it really snug. I think I only bought 2 per section. So that's it for now. We'll see how it turns out. Need a right size bit so that I can slide this in. So it's not a very big bit, but it has to be long enough to go through both pieces. Let's see. It's 20 3/4 inch. 2 3/4 is a good one. Well, we put one right in the middle. Now, yet another tool I need. The wonder tool that does wonders. Just want to give myself a good line. Get it in there straight. Woo-wee. All right. Now, this just a little. Get way up over there. Egg to go straight up. So. Sure, a couple times and those will be nice. Pretty. A little board on top. Okay. I need a wrench. Just the usual. Ask me why I didn't bring my tool. Oh, there 5/16, by the way. So, so there we go. Let's see how it works. Pretty good. So, 4 inches. Now, oh, screwdriver setting. Okay, good. And a couple more. Keep forgetting I don't have to duck. Yeah. I started hearing the wood crunching. There we go. Woo! Woo-hoo! Great. Let's do sides. Now, see these. I really want to make sure I have them in the right spot. So. Okay, I think you're getting the idea though, right? So, for now, let's call that good. Come back when I got them all. There we go. All better. So I was doing this side, and I noticed when I'm shutting the door, it was pushing in the wall. So I put in some spacers here to hold this panel in place, and then I'm going to screw it down so it doesn't push when you slam the door. I think that'll help.